Are you tired of trying product after product that promises to help your hair grow, but never seems to deliver? If you're ready to ditch the chemicals and try a natural solution, then this video is for you. We're going to show you how to make a proven hair growth natural mask using just 4 simple ingredients. These ingredients are chock full of nutrients and antioxidants that can nourish and strengthen your hair, promoting healthy growth and preventing breakage. So if you're ready to give your hair the boost it needs, make sure to watch until the end to get the full formula for this amazing natural mask. Aloe vera is a natural plant extract that is rich in vitamins, minerals, and amino acids. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of health conditions, including hair loss. There is some scientific evidence to support the use of aloe vera for promoting healthy hair growth. A study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology found that aloe vera gel can help to stimulate hair growth in people with alopecia areata, a type of hair loss that affects the scalp and other areas of the body. Another study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that aloe vera gel can help to reduce hair loss and improve hair growth in people with androgenic alopecia, a common type of hair loss that affects both men and women. Aloe vera is believed to be effective in promoting healthy hair growth due to its high content of nutrients and antioxidants. These substances help to nourish and strengthen the hair shaft, reducing breakage and preventing split ends. Aloe vera also contains enzymes that can help to stimulate the scalp, promoting healthy blood flow and encouraging the growth of new hair follicles. In addition to its hair growth promoting effects, aloe vera is also known for its hydrating and conditioning properties, which can help to improve the overall health and appearance of the hair. It is gentle and safe for use on all hair types, making it a popular choice for natural hair care. The next ingredient in the hair growth formula is the castor oil. There are several biological reasons why castor oil may be effective in promoting healthy hair growth. First, castor oil is rich in fatty acids, specifically ricinoleic acid, which is believed to have a number of benefits for the hair and scalp. Ricinoleic acid is thought to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe the scalp and reduce irritation and flaking. This can be beneficial for promoting healthy hair growth, as a healthy scalp is essential for strong, healthy hair. Second, castor oil is also rich in antioxidants, which can help to protect the hair and scalp from damaging free radicals. These substances can damage the hair and scalp, leading to dryness, breakage, and hair loss. By providing the hair and scalp with a rich source of antioxidants, castor oil can help to prevent these negative effects and promote healthy hair growth. Third, castor oil is also believed to have emollient properties, which means it can help to moisturize and soften the hair. Dry, brittle hair is more prone to breakage and damage, which can inhibit healthy hair growth. By providing the hair with extra moisture and nourishment, castor oil can help to prevent dryness and breakage, allowing the hair to grow stronger and healthier. Overall, the combination of fatty acids, antioxidants, and emollient properties in castor oil make it an effective natural treatment for promoting healthy hair growth. Our next start is coconut oil. Did you know that coconut oil is composed of more than 90% saturated fats? This may sound surprising, as saturated fats are often thought of as unhealthy and linked to a variety of negative health outcomes. However, coconut oil is different from other saturated fats as it is composed largely of medium-chain fatty acids, which have a number of unique health benefits. Now, let's talk about the biological reasons why coconut oil may be effective for promoting healthy hair growth. First, coconut oil is rich in these medium-chain fatty acids, which are easily absorbed by the hair and scalp. These fatty acids help to nourish and moisturize the hair, reducing dryness and breakage. This can be beneficial for promoting healthy hair growth, as dry, brittle hair is more prone to damage and breakage, which can inhibit healthy hair growth. Second, coconut oil is also rich in antioxidants, which, as we already know, can help to protect the hair and scalp from damaging free radicals. These substances can damage the hair and scalp, leading to dryness, breakage, and hair loss. By providing the hair and scalp with a rich source of antioxidants, coconut oil can help to prevent these negative effects and promote healthy hair growth. Third, coconut oil is also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties, which can help to soothe the scalp and reduce irritation and flaking. This can be beneficial for promoting healthy hair growth, as a healthy scalp is essential for strong, healthy hair. Overall, the combination of medium-chain fatty acids, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory properties in coconut oil make it an effective natural treatment for promoting healthy hair growth. Did you know that vitamin E is a fat-soluble vitamin that is essential for maintaining good health? But not only good health, it may be effective for promoting healthy hair growth. Vitamin E, similarly to coconut and castor oils, is an antioxidant, which means it helps to protect the body from damaging free radicals. It also has anti-inflammatory properties like the coconut oil, which can help to soothe the scalp and reduce irritation and flaking. Similarly to aloe vera, vitamin E is also thought to have a nourishing effect on the hair and scalp, helping to moisturize and strengthen the hair shaft. This should allow the hair to grow stronger and healthier. Now that we have discussed the benefits of each ingredient, let's talk about how to make this natural hair growth mask. To make this mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 1/2 tablespoons of coconut oil, 4 capsules of vitamin E. To begin, mix together the aloe vera gel, castor oil, and coconut oil in a small bowl. Then, use a sharp object to puncture the vitamin E capsule and squeeze the powder into the mixture. Stir well to combine. To use the mask, apply it to your hair and scalp, massaging it in to help stimulate the scalp and promote healthy blood flow. Leave the mask on for at least 30 minutes, or even overnight for best results. Rinse the mask out with warm water and follow up with your usual shampoo and conditioner. Use this mask once or twice a week for the best results. We hope that you found it helpful and that you're excited to try this simple, natural solution for promoting healthy hair growth. Remember to use this mask regularly to get the best results. And don't be afraid to experiment with different amounts of each ingredient to find the right balance for your hair. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We would love to hear your results after using this amazing natural mask. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all the latest and greatest tips and tricks. Take care!